So guys, we're back with another finalist. Angaz, this one, Oh, Masango, okay.
On the day of the recording, Karebo was just a finalist. She went on to win the competition and became Miss Visionary Delmas 2024-2025. Congratulations, Karebo.
Hey family and friends, my name is Karabo Masango, your Miss Visionary Queen 2024/25. As we step into the new year, remember that you are not alone. You are surrounded by love, supported by family and friends, and God. And also remember that you are capable of achieving greatness. Please stay safe and do not drink and drive. Thank you.
A few questions in from Buza. Are you ready?
Yes, I'm ready.
Yeah.
Stay tuned. You will soon hear interesting news on this.
In what year was the Soccer World Cup held in South Africa?
2010.
Yes.
What animal is on a 20-rand note?
Buffalo.
What radio station did you grow up listening to?
Ikwekwezi.
Bukanya.
Kanya ba.
Can you list the big 5 animals?
Rhino, buffalo, elephant, leopard, and lion.
What's happening? Huh?
Who is the most famous Lebanese person you know? Yes! Who is the captain of Springboks?
We are cruising nicely.
How do you spell fat or non?
FAT.
And how do you spell her or ndungu?
HEI.
And Muslim and Sab?
Father.
Name the only radio station that broadcasts against Ndebele in South Africa.
Ikwekwezi.
Sting is from Mandela.
Mandela.
Name the only group of languages.
isiZulu, isiNdebele, isiSwati, isiXhosa.
Ngaleli hlobo emkhanyweni kulapha kufanele utholakale khona. Ikwekwezi FM kukhanya ba.